Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to download and install Power BI in Windows. So let's get started. So first thing, just Google download Power BI. You'll be getting the first link from Microsoft.com. Just click that. Here at the top you'll be having products. Expand this, click on Power BI and click on desktop. And just click on download now. And it will ask you to open this in Microsoft Store. Just click on open and we'll be taken to Microsoft Store, and here you can see we are having Power BI desktop, and this is from Microsoft Corporation, so that's the official thing. We can see the stars and ratings. Just click on get and Power BI will be downloaded and installed, so just be patient till then. So once it is completely downloaded and installed, you'll be getting open over here. Just click on it and you'll be getting Power BI desktop opened. And in case if you want to add it as a shortcut, just go to search, type for Power BI and just click on pin to taskbar. So you'll be getting that over here itself. So that's the video guys. I hope you have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming, AI tools, CRUD operations, other videos. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.